Alright, in this video we're going to look at how to download and import the Epigeum TANAHE publication into your courses into CampusCruiser. The instructions on where to find that publication and the username and password can be found in the School of Nursing Instructional Technology page. So from my dashboard I'm going to choose the Instructional Technology page. And it is right down here in our announcements. If it goes away from your front page, you can always click on the announcements on the left-hand side. But here's the information on the publication saying that it is available. It gives me the link to download as well as the username and the password. So I will click on that link. And I need my username and password at this time. TANAHE. And password is course 123, downloads 123. Alright, that will open up the page and you can see that there are multiple versions of this information that can be downloaded. You'll see that there's Blackboard, Moodle, Canvas, and other. These would be for the different types of learning management systems that would be used on campus. You can see that we don't have a CampusCruiser edition, but CampusCruiser does read Blackboard information, so we're going to select Blackboard. And it's looking for that username and password again. It's going to be that same one. I would make note of that because it does ask you for it twice, I believe. And then that way you don't have to go back. Course, downloads, multiple times in order to complete that. So here's our Blackboard. You can see that there are a couple things we can, we have the clinical teaching and learning, clinical assessment, evaluation, and feedback, and the quiz unit as well. All of these are imported exactly the same, so I'll show you one, and then you can do whichever you please, and if you need help, otherwise I can certainly help you with those. But let's select clinical teaching and learning, and notice that it is downloading a zip file. I'm going to save that file, because I need to import it somewhere, so not just open it, I need to save it. It's going to be up here in my downloads menu, up on the top there. So in my CampusCruiser page now, I'll need to go to the class that I want to import that information into, that package I should say, and I'll go down to one of my hold classes so that I'm able to put that information in. Now from here, here's the front, obviously, of that class, and I'm going to go to Course Design Tools and Course Designer. And here under, again, Course Design Tools and Course Designer, I'm going to select Import from a Package. And you can replace what's there, you can add to it. At this point, I have nothing in this class, so I'm just going to add to it. I have nothing to replace. And there are different settings that you can use there. Notice that, the assessments and stuff linked to the grade book, not a lot of that is in there. This is more of just content driven. So I'm going to go find that file, browse my computer, and because I downloaded it, it is in my downloads up here in my top menu. We're going to open, and CampusCruiser is going to scan that file and upload it to make sure that it is okay. We should get a clean status here telling us that that's all right, and we do, so we're going to continue. And from here we're going to submit import request, and you'll notice that down at the bottom it says your package has been submitted for your request and will be processed shortly. You can go over to your import history and see that it is still processing. When it is complete, you will receive an email that it is complete and that it is where you decided to house it at that point, and it will also be updated in here. Usually that only takes a minute or two, and you can see it's already ready. So we are finished. I got my email saying that it's done from CampusCruiser. I got my finished status here in my import history, and now in my designer, when I go over, instead of there being nothing, now I have my clinical teaching and learning information and everything that goes along with that packet. Again, this is just that first part. I can do my assessments, evaluation, and feedback, as well as the quiz unit, which would allow me to assess that information that I've just imported into my course. I hope that helps with your import of your Epigeum publication. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please don't hesitate to ask. I will be glad to help you. Thank you very much for watching.